Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. Now we bought this brand new Simfer 3-in-1 cooker, and as usual we shall use it for quite some time and thereafter leave our honest review according to experience using this Simfer brand. As you can see, this is brand new, straight from the shop, and so this is the first look, very clean. Here's the control interface. The Simfer cooker comes with an oven. We shall bake using it and let you know the results. Now, there are a few factors to consider when looking for a cooker. The heat source available, the types of cooking you prefer, and the size of your household all influence which cooker you should select. The Simfer cooker comes in a premium inbox grey stainless steel finish along with adjustable feet and a glass top lid. This cooker features a 3 gas burner and 1 electric plate cooker with an electric oven grill. The cooker comes with a flame safety device and 1 hand auto ignition as well as a turbo fan, turn spit, oven lamp and thermostat for the oven section. We've come to the end of today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.